Hey everybody. Well, we've got a patient here. Headlight has gotten very hazy. This is a 2009 Honda CRV. You've seen in one of my previous videos changing one of the brake lights in it. Well, we got to do a little bit with this headlight because the light output is getting really bad, hard to drive at night. So I got this here. This was recommended by a friend. So let's give it a try. All right, the kit comes with oxidation removers. So you can see here there's 3 per side. There's 2 a red and a gray sanding discs, which are, the red is the coarser, the gray is the finer, and then last is the actual ceramic coating, 1 per headlight. So there's also instructions, so I will review that and we'll get started. Step 1. Clean any dirt and oils off the headlight. I forgot to get car wash soap, but some hand soap worked just as well. Scrub the surface and then rinse well. Step 2. Put on the protective gloves and use the 3 oxidation remover wipes to remove the layer of oxidized plastic and old coating from the surface of the lens. Note how the pad turns yellow as they work. Use all 3 wipes. It is okay if a little yellow remains on the last wipe. Repeat this process on the other lens. Step 3. Rinse off the oxidation remover chemical. A spray bottle worked pretty well for this step. Be sure to keep those protective gloves on during this step. Step 4. Stick the red sanding disc to the pad holder. Spray the lens with fresh water and wet sand the lens in a non-circular motion. Be sure to keep that lens wet. This step should take 2 to 3 minutes per lens. Switch out the red disc for the gray 3000 grit one and repeat the 2 to 3 minute sanding process. Same thing, non-circular motion. Rinse and dry each lens and examine it for any shiny areas or large scratches. Sand these a bit more to ensure you have a uniform cloudy appearance to the lens. Do a final thorough rinse to ensure all residue is removed. The ceramic coating does not play well with water and warns that it can damage the lens. Allow the lens to completely dry before proceeding to the next step. I shifted over to some paper towels and I'm just going, I'm doing the body around it, doing this ridge, get my fingernail in there, make sure there's no water, make sure these are super dry. The nice thing is the sun is out and these are drying very nicely. So, okay. I'm gonna give them a few minutes to finish air drying and then we'll go on to final coating. All right, so this definitely has lots of warnings on it that it's not nice stuff. So make sure you got your gloves. And it says to do 1 wipe horizontal and then overlap 50%. Since the coating needs several hours to fully cure, plan this project with the weather and any travel plans in mind so the car can sit for several hours with no threat of rain or fog. It's fun trying to do this on contoured lenses. Okay, a little spot I missed right on the end. Right. I don't know, what do you think? I'm thinking it looks pretty good. We'll see how it ages. I would say my first impression of the Cerakote ceramic coating is pretty good. Hopefully this showed you at least that this is something you could do yourself. It does take a little time, a little bit of patience. Some of these chemicals in here are not nice, so be careful. If you try it, leave a comment, let me know how it goes for you. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button, helps support the channel. And till the next video, see you later.